of Style with me, Anusha. Hello and welcome to a special episode of Lakme MTV House of Style with me, Anusha. Press the rewind button, ladies, as we still haven't gotten over the retro hangover, which is back in fashion with all of us getting nostalgic. For the love of all things flared and floral, I have a very, very special guest today who will walk us through today's trend with his just released Popcorn Fair Deli Belly, none other than the stylish, sexy, and the classy Aamir Khan.
Hey.
Hey. Welcome to Lakme MTV House of Style.
Thank you.
Let's bring retro back, which you have done so amazingly with this song.
I hate you like I love you. I hate you like I love you, love you, love you.
तेरे प्यार ने कर दिया दीवाना, तेरे प्यार ने कर दिया दीवाना, इस दर्द ने कर दिया दीवाना, तेरे प्यार ने कर दिया दीवाना.
So tell us now why you brought retro back into this song.
This is a mad film, and one of the characters is called Disco Fighter,
Okay.
who's a lover and a fighter. And he's this, grand star from the disco era.
Yeah.
Because Disco Fighter is retro, so it's retro. It's entirely retro. It's about bell bottoms, and so actually this song, in a lot of ways, is a tribute
Yeah.
to the disco era.
Yes.
So when we were doing the song, we thought, let's just go all out.
And you certainly did go all out. I mean, red, orange, white clothes, big glares, sideburns, and you
My shoes were like 6 inches or
Yeah,
something.
and you had guns, and
Yeah.
I mean, you just went full force. So how was it? Was it really exciting to be wearing all those different get-ups?
It was totally fun. It was really amazing. I was just letting my hair down and having fun, and nothing was over the top. I mean,
No.
whatever you did was not enough. You could do more. You could certainly do more.
Aamir, I have to say that was a lot of fun. It really was. Now, if you guys are wondering how to emulate this style, then my first advice is to keep it subtle. To achieve a gratifying day look, slide into a skirt with large printed confidant pattern of flowering plants and team it up with a solid color top or shirt.
And what is the thing that nowadays I've seen a lot of girls wearing, it's like a trouser, but it ends kind of here
Yes.
at the calf.
Yes, they're
I
called...
remember it many years ago when I was much younger, they were called pedal pushers.
Yes, that's right.
What are they
pedal
called now?
pushers. Now they're called capri pants.
Capri.
But you can call them pedal pushers as well. I think I like that word better. And capris are back. Okay, to complete and dress up your cropped look, team it with chunky peep toe wedges. To add a little zing to your retro clothing, place a big flower or ribbons in your headband.
And what about glasses?
Oh yeah, Aamir rightly points out retro look is incomplete without big cat eyeglasses. Keep the blush and eyeshadow minimal. Draw the attention on your lips and add the oomph with Lakme's Lip Love lipstick, which is available in a variety of colors. The luminous shine will make your lips look lush and full, giving you the perfect pout and keep the sun safe too with its SPF 16. So, Aamir, what would you suggest the lovely ladies wear at night?
Well, I would prefer that the lovely ladies wear nothing. But if they really have to wear something, it should be bell bottoms.
We could go with that option, the first one that you said. Or, ladies, you can bring out those gorgeous leg-lengthening high-waisted pants and flared bell bottoms, which are back. Great tops to pair this type of jean are the tiered blouses with rosettes. Spring also brings back the ladylike fashion of the 60s. The figure-hugging dresses cutting off just below the knee in fresh, vibrant colors. To sizzle in the 60s theme, let your clothes do all the talking and keep the makeup simple. Rosy cheeks, smoky eyes, and glossy lips with Lakme's Lip Lock lipstick, and you'll be ready to roll. to the end of the show on Lakme MTV House of Style. Thank you so much for being on the show. Really, really, I can't believe how fashion inclined you are.
You know, I'm not really known for my fashion senses. And quite honestly, I have no idea about fashion. But I learned a lot listening to you. I really did.
Thank you so much. Now, guys, just remember that retro rocks and with a great reason. Amir Khan says so. And don't forget to watch Pulsar MTV Stunt Mania Underground every Sunday, 7 p.m. Trust me, this show will stun you with its death-defying stunts. This is me, Anusha, signing off. And like I always say, don't forget to keep it stylish and stay raw.